All right, guys. Well, that was a full cluster. So we got up there, and Nigel's parachute popped out. They were trying to get us to go. We didn't want to go, so we wanted to wait on them. Wants to take a win. You know, they didn't even stage. Threw the parachute in the body of the car, but then they had a stoppage because there was something on the track. So it kind of worked out good. They packed the parachute. Before we went up there, the transmission fluid was smelling kind of bad. So we went ahead and changed the transmission fluid. We put enough in it, we thought, but apparently we did not, because Randy went up there, he went to bump in, and we had no bump. And so the bump didn't work, but Nigel actually rolled the beams. His took off and it went through the beams. And so he red lit, looked like he made a killer pass. So we just got more fluid in it. It's starting to rain now. We got this nice rainbow out here. Maybe the pot of gold. Hold on, let me change. It's going down on Randy's car. Hey, the rainbow's going on your car. Oh, pot of gold.
Rainbow sheets.
Oh, that's pretty. But so now we're fixing to try to bump real fast and see if we got it fixed. I think we did. We just got fluid in it. I mean, it's got that lock car. It's a big one, but you keep putting fluid in it, and I swear it was full. Got it up. So Randy's going to do a trans brake test real fast. We got the back of the tires up so that the car is not going to roll anywhere. And so let's try this real fast. It moved. It moved like it was supposed to. He never let it go under trans brake. It's hard to do that in there. Hey, that's the reason I jacked the back of it up. That's the reason I got the back wheels off the ground, so that, because you're used to bringing it up, letting go of the button and making a pass. We didn't want to make a pass. We just want to make sure it was working. All right, so it's working. So, all right, we're good. It was bumping. It was moving like it should. You okay?
I think I'm gonna have a heart attack. I'm gonna pop me in the
That's why, guys, you always pick the back tires up so that you can't really panic. All right, so here we go. They just called us. Man, that's a pretty sunset over there. They just called us small block boost. We're down to 8 cars. We got to race Chris Hardy this round. So last round, we got lucky. The trans brake did not bump. Trans brake was working, but it was a little low on fluid. So we got that sorted. So hopefully we'll see. The sun is going down. It's cooling off. So these things are going to make some power this round here. Chris Hardy's got a very fast car. It's very light. He's got a 98mm turbo on it, but it's a rocket. So we're going to see what we can do. We have not turned this one up to max boost at all. We turned it up some, but we're still creeping up on the tune. So hopefully it works out good. We'll see. Hopefully it's going to be fine and we'll get through this one. If not, we might get another pass in as another shakedown because they are letting us run. What do you think?
We're good.
All right, here we go. Second round coming up. 8 cars. All right, so here we go. Just pushed up. We got Chris Hardy in his Pro Mod. Chris, what's in your Pro Mod?
Now we have a different power plant. We have a small block Ford.
Oh, you got a small block
So
Ford.
Handicap now. So
with a no time.
The back tire.
That looks like a no time 98 forced inductions turbo.
If we get the back tire. If you want the back tire,
Kind of. Thing is pretty. No, I didn't hear you.
They say that car is so light that he can just stick a nut in that window sitting in and blow on it in the car.
You talking about Savage?
No, talking about that.
You talking about Savage? I know what this one weighs. Y'all cannot get over on me. I don't know. All right, guys. This is going to be a good race. Chris's car is freaking unbelievable. This thing's always been fast. It's a rocket. So it should be pretty fast. It's going to be a good race. Here we go. All right, guys. Wooostock is pulling a crowd today. That's the first time I've seen this many people in the stands in a while. All right, guys, we're up here with 2 masterminds, Matt and Devin. If y'all don't know Devin, what's your YouTube channel?
My name,
What's your name again?
Devin Vanderhoof.
What do you do, Devin Vanderhoof?
Not much.
Not much.
No.
He's like resident. You puke a lot when I send you videos and pictures. Look, the last one I sent you, the time before last, like I sent it to you, and then the next post you were like in the hospital. I was like, oh shit, I killed him.
Oh, yeah. Well, you sent me wire nuts and yeah, you sent me like wire nuts and like a pile of terminal strips, and it looked like about 400 foot of red wire.
Red wire, that's all I had.
I was like, what is he doing?
Look, that's all I had was red wire. So I knew that was going to get him.
Oh, it was terrible. He sent it to me, and I like picked up my phone. I was like, no, and then it's like, you just got to go back and get more, you know?
Y'all make sure Devin Vanderhoof, Holly Guru, his YouTube channel is awesome.
Thanks, man.
Yeah, you do an awesome job. I appreciate all the help you give us all the time. That was a good race. Chris Hardy got the win. The data log, we sped up a little bit from last time. We were hoping we were going to go a tad faster than that, but this is legit the fourth pass on the car since we blew it up, the fourth full pass. So I'm happy with where we're at. We're fixing to pull the plugs again. We got to get it cooled off. We're going to cool the transmission down. This is a transmission cooler that Jason Braswell done. Works like a champ. Really does a good job cooling it all. We're going to do a grudge race with John Dock and the Black Sheep. We always like to smack talk each other. We have a good time. So we're going to do a little race here in a second. So I'm going to pull the data log. I got it pulled up. We're going to look at it, make some changes, pull some spark plugs, and see if we can make another pass. This is a perfect opportunity to get more passes. So even though we went out against our buddy Chris Hardy, we're going to get at least one more pass, trying to get this thing dialed in so we can go faster. We got to go faster. I hated it we went out second round, but, you know, it is what it is. It is what it is. That's hilarious. Milton trips me out. That's funny. But it is. It really is. We went out a second round, but that was our fourth pass. All the straps are on the plugs. That's what we were just verifying. So the straps are good. Tune-up's good. We did a little bit more individual cylinder tuning. So I think we're in good shape. Motor appears to be still running. We have not cranked it up since I made a pass. So I think we're going to be okay. But we're going to slide it back in the trailer. Don't forget to go to turbojohnracing.com. Grab yourself some merchandise. And y'all go fast and get some wind lights. We'll try again soon. Later, guys.